And look at black tank top there. Wow. He is ripping. Oh, shirtless is catching up. Oh, first, second, and third are going strong. Only 15 more feet. Remember, that is very, very sticky mud. Oh, the kid with the tarp off is catching up. Oh, and he sneaks past him last second. Wow, what a comeback.
Way to go, buddy. Good job, bud.
And that was 81 seconds. Let's give that kid.